Welcome back to part 2 of chapter 2, section 7, percent error. When we left off, I told you to work on this problem. If you've not done it yet, pause the recording and do it at this time. A town has a population of 855 residents. While given a tour, a resident says the population is 900. Find the percent error of the resident's estimate. So we're going to take 900, subtract 855, and when we do this, we're going to have, this will be the whole, this will be the whole plus the part, and the solution part down here, that's going to be the part, which of course is going to be 45. So the part is 45. Now we're going to do our formula. Part divided by whole is equal to, well, that's going to be 45 divided by the 855. And when you do that, grab our handy dandy calculator here. 45 divided by 855, and that's going to give us a answer of 0.05. Of course, we have to change that percent to a decimal by bouncing the decimal 1-2 spaces to the right. So that means we're looking at rounded to the nearest tenth, 5.3% for our answer. We're going to go back here to the problem. We're going to type in the 5.3 from our options choice, check it, and we are correct indeed. Now, as with most of our apply problems, this one here is looking pretty tough, so I'm going to guide you through it. A school newspaper estimates that their basketball team will win 23 out of 25 games this season. After 10 games, they have won 8. If the team continues winning at this rate, what will be the percent error in the newspaper's estimates once the season's over? So let me take a screenshot of the problem, and we're going to go over to another page and we're going to work on this one together. Now, the first thing I'm going to acknowledge is the fact that they have get my mouse to work right here. Turn it on, that might do better. There we go. That they have won 8 out of 10 games total. And we need to get that equal to something over 25. So with that said, 10 times what number equals 25? The answer, 2.5. And if I do it on the bottom, I have to do it on the top. 8 times 2.5, well, that's going to become 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So right now, if we continue on the pattern that we're looking at here, the rate of wins they have, they're actually only going to win 20 games instead of 23 games. Now we're going to take that, find the difference between 23 and 20, and that's going to be 3. And okay, sorry, I had to check my phone there. Now what do we have here? This right here, that's going to become our whole. This right here, that's going to become our whole plus the part. And this right here, that's going to become the part. So now we're going to take the formula, part divided by your whole is equal to, we've got 3 divided by 20. And when you divide 3 by 20, grab our calculator here, 3 divided by 20 is going to equal to 0.15, which is also known as 15%. So we can say that there is a 15% error. Go back to our answer key here, and what is the solution? The percent of error is going to be 15%. Check our answer, and the answer checks. It's time for you guys now to get in there and start doing your lessons, your homework assignments. Once again, You shouldn't see anything as hard as the apply problems, but you will see some stuff as hard as some of the other problems, and I think you can handle it because this lesson, it was pretty darn easy. Enjoy.